your HVAC system might be technically correct and still completely wrong. And in industrial audits, we see the same design mistakes causing the same expensive problems again and again. In industrial facilities, HVAC isn't about comfort. It's about process stability, product quality, compliance, and long-term operating cost. Yet during audits, we repeatedly find systems that were designed to look right on paper but fail in real operation, not because of bad equipment, but because of design decisions that ignored how the plant actually works. One of the most common mistakes is designing only for peak load. The system is sized for the worst possible condition, but no one considers how it behaves the other 90% of the time. The result: constant cycling, unstable temperature, and wasted energy. Another mistake we see constantly is poor airflow planning. Supply air looks fine on drawings, but return air paths are blocked, undersized, or never balanced. This creates hot spots, humidity pockets, and pressure issues that no sensor can fix later. A third issue is ignoring latent load. Designs focus heavily on temperature but underestimate moisture. In food, pharma, and process plants, this leads to condensation, corrosion, and microbial risk even when temperatures seem controlled. We also see overventilation without control. Fresh air is critical, but bringing in large volumes without demand logic increases cooling load, energy cost, and system instability. More air doesn't mean better air. And finally, one of the most damaging mistakes: designing without maintenance reality in mind. Filters that are hard to access, sensors placed where they don't represent the space, controls that look advanced but are never actually used properly. Good design must survive real operators, not ideal conditions. Here's what most people don't realize: HVAC design mistakes don't fail fast. They fail quietly, through rising power bills, inconsistent conditions, audit stress, and gradual equipment damage. By the time a problem is visible, the root cause is usually baked into the design. Out of curiosity, in your facility, which problem shows up more often? Temperature instability, humidity issues, or rising energy costs? Industrial HVAC isn't about bigger machines. It's about better thinking at the design stage. If you want clear, real-world insights from actual audits, what works, what fails, and why, follow this channel. We break down HVAC the way it behaves in real plants, not just in drawings. See you in the next one.